Hey guys, welcome back to Inside the City. We are going to start doing an episode regarding my buddy's release from prison and how he was brought back into the community and re-established himself as a tattoo artist. And we're going to bring you a whole series of episodes, so stay tuned. Watch this video for your chance to be entered into a drawing for a $150 tattoo gift certificate tattooed by Wade Bone at My Religion Tattoo. Stay tuned and check this out.
I'm Wade at My Religion Tattoo. We're going to be doing a series on my release. Follow the rules to enter a drawing for a $150 gift certificate to be tattooed by me.
Inside the City, Reno edition. Guys, how you guys doing today?
Good, how are you doing?
Good. Who's getting tattooed? Yeah, you excited? Have you lost count of your tattoos? How many you got?
I got too many.
Right?
Yeah, the only place I don't have one.
What's up, Wade?
That's awesome. What's going on, guys?
Oh, not too much. What do you got going on?
Beautiful Saturday morning and a head tattoo. Or your art would be what I would concern, because the better artist you are, the better tattoo artist you're going to be, you know? You got to learn Photoshop. Photoshop is key. It's not going to be better if you don't hear it. It might not even be right, but you should always consider it at least, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Hi, baby. What are you doing? It just feels like it has texture. Yes, it is. Thank you. Yeah, I really like that.
That part's nice until the white happens.
Oh no, you missed!
We got Autumn working hard back here. You know, holding the shop down. How's it feeling now, man? Right, I bet. Works really good. feeling after that? A little tired?
Yeah, my back is sore.
Much better than that shirt that you had. That's damn.
Going through this is going to be the death of me. So much stuff, but it's always fun. Alright guys, there you have it. That was the first episode in the series. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. In your comment, make sure you leave your Instagram name. Make sure that you're following at MyReligionTattoo, at MyReligionTattooWade, and of course at Inside the City _ Reno edition to be entered in the drawing for the $150 gift certificate to be tattooed by Wade at My Religion Tattoo. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.